The U.S. House of Representatives have passed a bill that would give permanent status to over 1,000 people here in the Sinai, if also passed by the U.S. Senate. Congressman Gregorio Sablan introduced the Northern Mariana Islands Long-Term Legal Residence Relief Act back in January, after President Donald Trump ended the humanitarian parole program. And today, the U.S. House of Representatives approved the permanent status for those who have been living in the islands under humanitarian parole that was granted by the Obama administration. Parolees had until June 29th to either leave the Marianas or adjust their immigration status. According to a release, Sablan's bill for permanent status, H.R. 559, passed the House on a bipartisan vote. Now, the bill goes to the U.S. Senate for approval. Congressman Sablan's bill covers 5 categories of individuals who have been living in the Marianas for decades. To be eligible, an individual also has to have lived in the Marianas since before the federal immigration was extended to the islands. The release states that all qualifying candidates must have remained lawfully present throughout their residence under the terms of Sablan's law. Sablan's Relief Act provides permanent status in the Marianas only and has no right of entry to any other part of the United States except transit through Guam. The release states that U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services reported back in December there were 1,039 individuals who were granted parole and could be covered by Sablan's bill. Congressman Sablan says, quote, "With a strong bipartisan vote in the House and with the Trump administration backing the bill, we are in a strong position in the Senate. But time is against us. We have 4 weeks to win the passage in the Senate and get the bill signed by the president," end quote. Action is needed by the U.S. Senate before June 29th.